Well, hello everybody, it's Pumpkin. So, today has been heaven. We've had the house to ourselves for a few hours to do whatever we want. What have we been doing? Well, just stay tuned and see today's video. She's going to show you her completes and her whips and her goals for 2020 projects. And you'll see, she doesn't really set the bar too high. Okay, yeah. And again, she only holds herself to 95%. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, see you soon.
Well, hello everybody. It is Saturday, January 11th, I believe. And I finished the Christmas birthday combo gift, now Valentine's Day, I guess, for Brian. It's all done. And he saw it the other day for the first time. I only had a little bit to go, and he loves it. He absolutely loves it. So thank you again, Michelle, for sending this for Brian. I couldn't get him to do it, but he does love it. So try and get it framed sometime soon. But it is, again, Ever Moment, and it was a 50 by 60. Yep, and it has 31 colors, square drill. And I had no issues with popping or anything. Not a whole lot of garbage left over. And plenty of leftovers. So I didn't run short on anything at all. And I love it. And thank you, Vicky, for the washi tape, because I'm digging having washi tape. It's fun. All right, well, anyway. Let me see here. What else is there? Yeah, I gotta get that framed. This is like the shortest video ever. What? Minute 39. Well, oh, and then of course, would I buy this for somebody else? Absolutely. I would buy this for somebody else. It's very good. But again, I got this a very long time ago from Michelle. So, but I finally got it done. Time to pick a new one. I wonder what I'll do next. Let's take a look. Hold on. Oh, I can show you what else I've finished. Okay, this I finished a long time ago, but I just stuck it in a hoop. I'm kind of trying to stretch it back to round. It ended up oval shaped. But that was done a long time ago. I also finished this recently. I finished the back stitching. These two were from Danette, the punch needle and the little peacock. So that's a recent finish. And let's see here. What else? Keep licking those feet. They look better orange. Okay. I showed this one a little while ago. That's my Diamond Art Club that I finished. And let's go check out the my current living room whip. That is this one here. Let me pull this out. I'll show it to you. Alright. So it's very pretty, but it's horrendous. Popping drills, crappy drills, terrible, 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 horrid. But thankfully it's really small, so I don't have to deal with it for too long. So, you know, but I figured I got to do it. It's one of the very first ones I bought. So, You know, before I discovered Diamond Art Club. Anyway, let's go see what we're going to do next, shall we? I'm hoping, I've got a couple of different recordings for time-lapse for chapters of the book. One of them is a time-lapse of me backstitching that, and then I have a time-lapse of me finishing this. But we need to pick a new painting. Oh, you know what? Rather than picking a diamond painting, that's right. We're going to do the paint with numbers, paint by number. So we'll have to do that next. Yes, we'll get that started. Anyway, this is just going to be a really short little video to let you know my whips and finishes. And I will, I gotta set up my microphone and record some book and then start painting. Okay, now the new obsession, you know, because when I do a time lapse, I can't listen to a podcast because I'm using my phone to record, and I can't listen to a podcast while I'm recording. So now I'm watching Hoarder, Buried Alive. I don't know what season it is, but yeah, so I've been watching Hoarders. And I did pull out my genealogy map that Kat had sent me to kind of let it flatten out, and I just stuck magnets on it on my pegboard to let it relax itself a little bit, and then I'll have to start working on it. Now, because my handwriting isn't wonderful and I don't want to make any mistakes, I'm probably going to just do post-it notes till I get it all figured out, at least, you know, a couple of levels, and then start practicing my calligraphy again. Not that I'm gonna, you know, get all crazy with the calligraphy, but, you know, a nice calligraphy pen so that it looks somewhat decent. But yeah, I've got that. Here, let me turn you sideways so you can see it correctly. So yeah, there's a lot to fill out, but so that's an upcoming project this year too. That's my 2020 project. It's that and my paint with numbers. And gotta get some stuff framed. This needs to be framed, and that needs to be framed, and then the mermaid, that horrid mermaid, the paint with diamonds, that one is rolled up in a tube. It needs to be framed because I also have to seal it because everything's falling off. So we got some framings to do this year too. And every once in a while I think about doing this again, but I don't know. It's so much work. It's a lot of work. Anyway, yeah. So that's where we're at. Okay, I'm adding another goal. I'm going to spell out hoarder in my letters this year too. So I need, let's see, how many do I need? I need O-A-R-D-E-R. I need 6 letters. So every 2 months I have to get a letter done. Right? So I've got till the end of February. Okay. That's my goals. My genealogy, hoarder, paint with number, and frame these. So again, it's not a resolution. It's just, you know, that's what I'm going to do. But before I do any of that, I think she needs to go for a walk, right? You got to go for a walk? You go outside? You got to go outside. God, she's just constantly judging me. Okay. Hope everybody's doing well. I know it's a really depressive time of year. So many people I've been talking to are just down in the dumps, and I feel it. I understand. Absolutely, I get it. I've been feeling it too. I did shower today. Yes, I did. I'm not going to tell you when the last time I showered was. But it's been weeks for her. Okay. Anything else? Brian's working all weekend. Yeah. So, got that going for us. New podcast I'm listening to, Haunted Places. Criminal. No, I don't know what else. That's about it. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put these. I gotta figure out whether or not he's gonna have this out like by his office or something. I don't know if there's any wall space over there, to tell you the truth. But maybe we could put it like here. I don't know. Yeah, he doesn't really have any wall space over there, does he? They could put it there. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, it's been nice and quiet. Quinn went back to college. Jesse's MIA. Brian's working. And I have been diamond painting all morning. So, got her done. All right, guys. I don't really have anything else to say that I can think of. So, I guess this is going to be a short one so I can actually get something out quick. But, yeah. Let me know what you're going to do this year. What's your, not resolution, but what is your goal, project goals this year? I have to put deadlines on myself or I don't get anything done. So, like, I got to get an O by the end of February so I can be a hoe for Valentine's Day. And then let's say I need to get the first three tiers. 2, 3. How many are there? Let's see. There's me, which doesn't count. So let's start from the outside. That's a big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 generations. And then as you go out, they get harder and harder. So let's say by February, because I don't want to give myself a deadline for January. I'm not ready to start. No, we'll say quarterly. So by the end of March, I'll have my parents, my grandparents, my great-grandparents, and whatever I can find of my great-great. So the beginning solid bands by first quarter. And then like second quarter, I guess would be those two. I'm not going to hold myself to it yet. Second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter of 2020 to try and get as much of that filled in as I can. Okay, there. See, I need very specific goals. All right. And then I'm going to start the paint with numbers this weekend. And I need to mail that back. That's my old computer. Okay. All right. That's all I've got. That is all I got. I know. You're so patient, darling. Okay, we're going to go for a walk. See you guys soon. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Well, what do you think? Are you brave enough to put your goals for this year in writing? Love to hear what you got planned. Put it in the comments. We won't hold you to it. No, it's okay if you don't finish. Yeah, she hardly ever finishes anything. We know, we understand. Anyway, hope you all are doing great and hoping that you're all thinking of what you're going to say down below because we want to hear it. Okay, yeah, we do. Okay. Non-committal. Non-committal is okay. You can say, I'm thinking about, and then there's no obligation. Yeah, I'm thinking about maybe is even less commitment. Yeah. We don't care.